I had an asymmetric bite, I believe it's called. Was very aware of it and would shy away from the camera. So I would never ever have my photograph taken. I met and fell in love with a man and thought, I'm going to marry this fella. I want to look good for my photographs. So I spoke to my dentist, who I knew had braces. So I spoke to her and said, you've had braces, who would you recommend? And she recommended Sharon. So I spoke to Sharon, and Sharon was very good and made it very clear I would need tracks. And of course, when you hear tracks, you think of geeky teenagers, which is something I'm not geeky or a teenager. But anyway, and so I did. She told me about the treatment, and then she told me about the possibility of an op. But it wasn't, you know, she sat me down and then took a look at my teeth and made a decision there and then. She assessed me, sent me away. She assessed what I needed to do, wrote to me, and called me in for an appointment and told me everything that she believed would be suitable for my treatment. The team, fantastic. Chris, Sharon, Lynn, lovely Lynn, all wonderful and patient with you, and just treat you as an individual and not like a patient, you know, one in, one out, one in, one out. You have individual needs and they treat you as an individual. Sharon invited Memo in for a meeting to meet me to discuss my needs. He is lovely, absolutely, just puts you at rest. You know, you hear operation and you suddenly go into panic mode. What the hell have I done? But I knew that I was in safe hands because I'm with Sharon and I'm with Memo, and it was just an easygoing experience. I didn't have any panics, any real panics or doubts or regrets about what I'd started. The benefits of the treatment I find are a smile. I'm willing to have my photo taken. I'm willing to sit in front of a camera and talk about my treatment. Orthodontics does take a lot of time, and a lot of money, and plenty of appointments, but it's worth every minute of it. If you have any desire to straighten your teeth or change anything about your orthodontics, then do it. You have to do it. Don't worry about wearing a brace, it's absolutely fine. You won't look silly. And actually, the amount of adults that would comment on me wearing a brace, you know, aren't you brave wearing a brace? I've got crooked teeth. I wish I had lovely straight teeth. I wish I had your courage. Just do it. Don't have any moments of doubt. Just do what you need to do and don't have any fears. I had braces and I had an operation on top of that. The operation, I was swollen and I looked ghastly for a couple of weeks, but you know what? The overall result is worth it. It's absolutely worth it. So don't hesitate.